So I'm making baked potato. And I thought she'd like cheese, but she likes sour cream. Watch. It's on my finger. Hi. She tried to lick it out the frickin' jar. Come on, eat it, Eat it, boo. You like that. Yummy. Of course I'm making a baked potato, Braylee.
Who's Brady?
My friends always come over.
Oh.
Don't feed her while she's eating it. So, you see? Clean. Thank you for watching. Bye.